this exercise, we look at scraping data from IMDb. Our goal is to convert the top 250 list of movies in IMDb into a tabular form using Python. This data can then be used for further analysis. So the first step is to import necessary libraries. We first have the BeautifulSoup library. This is the most important library for this tutorial. This helps us scrape data from web. Then we have the requests library that is used to access website. We have the Pandas library that is a very popular library in Python for data manipulation. Let's run this module. Next, we load the web page. So for that, we need to know the URL. What we need is the top 250 list of movies. Let's see where to find it. So you go to Google, type top 250 movies, and then this takes you, let's click on the first link. Let's see what's there. So here we have the top rated movies in IMDb showing top 250 titles. This is what we want. We want the movie title, the year, the rating, and we want this data in a tabular form. So this is the data. So let's take this link, copy it. Let's take this URL, copy it, go back to our Jupyter notebook, and this is where we paste the URL. Let's paste the URL. Then we convert this content to a BeautifulSoup object, and then we can print out the contents and see what it is. Let's print it out. It's loading. And here we have the content. So in order to get the information from this page, we need these informations, and this title, the year, and the ratings are actually located within HTML tags. For example, if you right click this tag and go to inspect, it will take you directly to this tag. So this title, the Shawshank Redemption, is located within this tag called ahref. So our goal is to extract this title, and this title is located within this tag. So similarly, if you see, if you just hover your mouse over this line, that particular title will get highlighted. Similarly, if you want to know which tag here actually has this information, 1994, just if you go below and hover it, see, it highlights that information. So where is rating located? Just go below, and here you see when you hover your mouse over this line, it actually highlights the rating there. So what we want is we need these tags so that extract the information that is located within these tags, right? So we saw that it was very easy here. All you had to do was, if you want this year, highlight the year, right click and inspect. This will directly take you to the tag that has the given information, the required information. The other way that we saw here was to print the contents of the HTML page, and here you get a very detailed information. So it's very difficult to locate the tags here. So the easier way is, as I showed you here, go to the information, right click, inspect, it will take you to the respective tags. So now that we are done here, let's create an empty list. We need the title, the year, rating. Let's create some temporary variables. Let's run the module. And next, let's extract the HTML tag contents. This is the most important step in this exercise. So what we need, let's see. So first we are getting the class name called chart full width. Let's see where this is located. Why are we doing this? Let's see. Let's go to the web page. So we need this title, the year, and the rating. Let's see where title is located. Let's find the tag. Right click, inspect. It will directly take you to the tag. So all you need is this ahref tag name so that you can extract this title. But this ahref tag is located within a higher level class called title column. And if you see the title column, this higher level TD class has ahref, which contains the title, and span class, which contains 1994. So we can just use this tag to extract both the title as well as the year information. So you see this title column. We are using the title column here in the next line for the movie year and for the movie title. But then what is this chart full width? Let's go back. So if you move up, we see that here chart full width is located here. It is a much higher level tag. So what we saw here is it is just for one movie, the Shawshank Redemption, the year. This is just for one movie. But what if you want the information for all the movies? For that, you need to locate a higher level tag. And this was the most suitable tag that we could find to extract all the movies. So chart full width. This is the highest level tag that we are using, chart full width. Next, for the movie title and year, we use title column, as I showed you. Title column. Let's run this. Let's run this. And then we also need the rating. So this is also a higher level tag. Let's see where this is located. So if you're not able to locate, just go to the rating, highlight it, right click, inspect, takes you here. See here, the rating is located within this rating. 9.2 is located within strong title, and this is inside the TD class rating column IMDB rating. The rating column IMDB rating, we are using this higher level class. So once we are done with the higher level class, we need to now extract this information, the title, the year, and the rating. So let's first run this. Now the movie title. How do we extract the movie title? We see that this title is equal to row.a.text. So row is an inbuilt function. A.text. A refers to the tag name. Dot text extracts the text within the tag. So what is A.tag? So we see the title, the Shawshank Redemption is located within ahref. All we are using is A. So A.tag, this will extract the movie titles. Let's run this. So we get all the movie titles. How do we get the movie year? Let's see which tag year is located in. Let's go to year. The year is located within the span class tag, span class. So row.span.text, span.text gets the text within the span tag. Run this, we get all the years. Now where are the ratings located? So let's look for the ratings. The ratings are located within the tag here. 9.2 is located within the tag strong.title. So we need strong.text, extracts the text within the strong tag. Let's run it. There you go, we get all the ratings. Now that we have the movie title, the movie year, and the movie ratings, let's combine all this, and we can do that using the Pandas DataFrame. It gives you a tabular form for your data, and then we print out the top 30 rows. Let's run this. There you go. All the data that we needed, the movie title, the year, and the ratings are available in tabular form.